And holy, I know y'all lying. Hi loves, welcome back to the channel. Hopefully we're in focus, hopefully the lighting is fine. So I do have a video and I thought this dress would be good to do the video. It's long overdue. I ordered this like in October. But yeah, I ordered this bra back in October, not the one I'm wearing. As you can see, I have on just a nude, like just a basic bra. No really, not any really. That doesn't even make sense. There's really not any support with this bra. It's just there, okay? So I ordered the Mrs. Kisses bra and it was a little pricey, I ain't gonna lie. It was like $100. I kind of wish I would have got the modest plunge or the deep plunge. I think I forget which one this is, but I'll have all of that information down below. I'll have it like pop up probably in an info thing down here on the screen. Someone on Twitter actually asked me to review this bra, so I was like, hey, let me go for it. Oh man, I dropped something. Okay, so when you first get it, it's gonna be like, what? This is a bra? And I'm like, what is this gonna fit? I don't know, but apparently it is adjustable. It's really hard, so once you adjust it, you're probably not going to want to kind of keep playing with it once you get it to your boobs. Luckily for you guys, this is my first time trying it on. So you get what is the frame of the bra, is what I'll call it. Then you do get the padding to put on top of it, I'll show you all that. You do get an optional bra strap, so a back support strap which you can wrap around your back and get a little more support out of that. So then you have some adhesive here. This is supposed to last I guess a really long time, but she does offer where you can replace the strap, you can replace the adhesive, you can replace this stuff online, which is good. And then also, if I can get it out, also have this cute like carrying bag that says Mrs. Kisses, which you can put your bra in to store it or to travel with. So what we're gonna do is a first impressions. I don't know what I'm doing. I don't want to mess this up. It costs $100. It is reusable, so that's good. A lot of the times you see stuff like this, it's not reusable. So yeah, on here it does have the Mrs. Kisses logo. I don't have my nails done, don't judge me, I'm naked right now. I'm just gonna half at it and hopefully it works, but it's okay because I've seen some reviews on it. I'm just gonna stick these right here. So I'm pretty sure I might have it down pat. So here we're gonna do this, we're gonna set this up and we're gonna learn together, okay? I do want to thank Britt Brat on YouTube because she was very helpful with showing hers. So right now I'm just taking the adhesive, I'm taking the one with the Mrs. Kisses on the back, and I'm going to put that on. You see this side has the logo. I'm gonna go on the inside of it and stick this here. And I think they said it's okay if it hangs over a little bit, doesn't really matter. I'm trying to show you guys. Do it. So as you can see, I did it actually upside down. It should kind of go this way where the curve is actually on the curve, if that makes sense. So I'm going to stick that there and I'm just going to press it. Kind of reminds me of a command strip or double-sided tape. So I'm going to press it and hold it for a little while. Try to release any air bubbles on there. So I'm just going to smooth that down. I'm going to do the other side as well, where I'm just going to again take the side with the Mrs. Kisses, and I'm going to, this is not peeling how I need it to. Don't play me. You play me, you play yourself. Alright. I haven't quite seen any setup videos, so hopefully this is helpful. So I'm doing the same thing to the other side, and this one is curling up on me a little bit. So just gonna push it in like that. And I feel like once you get past this part, you can just kind of stick it on when you put it on. So we have that on there. I'm nervous. What if it doesn't work? I'm not doubting Mrs. Kisses. I'm just saying. Let's see. No. That one doesn't go there. Look, I am utilizing my boobs, okay, as a table right now. So what I'm going to do is take the sticky back off. Well, the back off to make it a little more sticky. And I am going to take the pad and stick it in. Let me kind of just turn it around. I'm like turning my whole body when I can just turn it this way. And I'm going to stick this in there, which is great because it's giving it some grip, like it's not falling off. So did that, and then what I believe, according to Brick Brat, she also has an adhesive on this side as well. So I'm going to take another one of these, which I thought were just backups, but they're not. And I am going to take the Mrs. Kisses side again and actually put this side on the bra, well, the padding. So I am going to just stick it on there. And I'm going to just let it sit here for a minute while I do the other side. So, again, taking the back peel off, taking the pad, and, well, this is sticking to me in every way. Taking the pad and sliding it on. I really hope this is helpful for you all. I know you're not necessarily seeing exactly what I'm doing, but hopefully, like I said, it's helpful. Alright, so we have one more sticky adhesive. Get that off. And if this is like everything, this is going to be so perfect. This is supposed to be like a backless, strapless type of bra, which is supposed to give you more cleavage and, you know, get that gap together. I guess it'll give you lift as well, but we shall see. So I'm kind of just pressing it on, and we have the adhesive on the back of the padding on both sides. And now I'm going to take the, so basically the side with the white Mrs. Kisses tape is the sticky side. So that's going to stick like not double-sided, but a sticky part of the tape. And then the other side is just strictly for it to grip and hold you. So here you have it. Okay, so now it's time to get out of this bra and see if this is going to work for me. You can adjust it. I'm like scared like to, okay. So that works. The question is, does it go? Okay, so I'm pretty sure it goes this way. So I'm just kind of pulling it out to get it to like that. So I'm kind of just adjusting it to me, and once I put it on, I'll adjust it again. So I'll be back when I go braless. All right, so I'm back. My natural boobs, they hang, they sag, whatever you want to call it, they're natural, right? So typically I can wear between a 40 and a 46D depending on, no, 42 and a 46D depending on the company and how the bra is made. All you really need to know is my cup size. So this is supposed to be, again, good from B to mother freaking G. So I'm gonna go in, and I'm new to this, so I might look crazy. This doesn't cover the nipples or anything, so I might have to like bleep it out or censor it. So I'm just gonna turn to the side actually and kind of stick it in there, right? I feel like y'all seen my boobs already. I try all the bras for the, see if they're plus size friendly, or the tapes. Just trying to make sure I don't flash y'all. So I have one on that side. And holy, I know y'all lying. I know y'all lying. Yo, this is legit. I'm just trying to see if I can get a little more lift with it. Oh. Oh. So this is gonna give you the cleavage, the push together, like the bar stops here, so I could wear a shirt this deep. I'm definitely going to get the deep plunge, which isn't in stock right now. When I last look, again, this is like $100 for a bra, but technically I probably wouldn't need this type of bra with this dress, but I just wanted to see if it will work. I feel like I'm getting some indentions, so I feel like I have to readjust it so my boobs don't look all extra crazy and weird shaped. So yeah, like as you can see, I feel like I'm getting that indention there. Darn dope. Like, hold on now. It can't be that easy. So yeah, I'm definitely gonna play with it a little more. But let me tell you one thing, I am completely impressed with this bra, or this frontless bra. I just have to, again, kind of play with it to get it to not make this. Is really, really good. I did not think it would work for me, just because my boobs are naturally low, saggy, hanging. All right, so this is this is definitely a breakthrough for me in my wardrobe, because I have a lot of things where it's like, I can't really wear a bra with that. It's gonna look crazy, or it's just gonna look a little tacky. But if I can get, like, if I can do this in the bar, like I said, it's all the way down here. And this is just the first one. This is not the modest or the deep plunge. And then you have a deeper one for a more plunging shirt, and then a really deep plunge for a really plunging dress or shirt. So this is cool. This is cool. Again, I would just have to figure out how to not make my boobs look like trapezoids or something. But other than that, like, this is cool. This shirt or dress is not supposed to be like just like that, but not having to wear a bra, what that is speaking to my soul. So that's this here, and as you can see in the back, you get no bra lines, no nothing. But again, like I said, this isn't necessarily the top I would wear this with, or the dress I would wear this with. Just because I feel like I could wear a bra with this, because I don't have to worry about it being backless and stuff. But for brides, for prom, quinceañeras, all of that, like, y'all are set if you get the Mrs. Kisses bra. And like I said, it's reusable, so it's an investment, but it's just like buying 2 or 3 good bras that's gonna last you a year, 2 years, whatever the case is. But this is gonna last you forever, and the only thing you probably will have to replace is the silicone stickies that's gonna keep it in place, that's gonna grip it basically. So thank you guys so much for joining. I'm sorry this video is so overdue for the young lady who requested it on Twitter, but we're here, you know, and I did the review and I approve of this bra. Again, I am typically, the bra I just had on was a 44D, so that is on average my size. So that's lit. This is lit. This is lit. This is lit. Like, nothing is popping out. It's not moving around or anything. It's just sitting here. Like, what the hell? Alright, so that's this here. Thank y'all for joining. Thank you, Britt Bright on YouTube. You really helped me. I'll link your video down below. You were really helpful with this Mrs. Kisses tutorial, because it really showed me how to do it. So, ooh, y'all can't tell me nothing now. Alright y'all, so this is my Mrs. Kisses challenge. 60 seconds, see if I could put this bra on. Yes, this is a bra. This is the frontless or the backless and frontless bra from Mrs. Kisses. They have 3 levels. Typically it'll fit a B to a G cup, sometimes H. I'm going to try to do it without flashing you guys. I don't want any edits on this video, okay? So I'm going to turn to the side so you don't see a nip slip. I'm going to put it on this side. I'm going to take the other pad in here. Gonna pull my boobs in and put it on the other side, and there you have it. The bra is on. As you can see, it gave me shirt without having to worry about what bra I'm going to wear or a gown. Perfect for prom, quinceañeras, weddings. So yeah, that's the Mrs. Kisses bra. Typically I am a 44D, so that's how it looks on me and that's how it works.